about 5 o'clock in the afternoon. The rain just started. Pretty windy still. And I guess this is when we're really going to start getting it. See? Doesn't seem like there's much going on, but it sure is loud out here. There's a big one. It's getting a little hairy. Yeah. Coming down the sheet. Oh, rain drip. This tree's making a lot of racket. Woo! Yeah, yeah. Come on, Sandy. Show me what you got.